Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to back up your Shopify store. So to do that, first go to shopify.com and log in with your account. Alright, so I'll just select my store. Alright, once you're in your store, all you have to do is click on apps and let's search for application, which is Rewind Backups. So this is a really cool app that will help your Shopify store for backup. Over here, just click here, click on add app. Now click on install application. So now it will redirect you to a page. Now from here you have to select any plans that you like, and then all you have to do is connect this with the over here, and it will help to back up your Shopify store. So that's how you can back up your Shopify store. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.